everyone. Happy Friday. These are my dogs. This is Linus and this is Charlie. And since we're celebrating our pets this week, our craft is going to be making DIY dog toys. So let's get started. Okay, so for our first pet toy, all you're going to need is a tennis ball. I have a little one because my dogs are little, but you might have a bigger tennis ball. You could really use any ball that your dog has. And then I'm going to use a sock. The second toy is also going to use a sock. So all that you need to do is put the tennis ball right down to the toe part of the sock. You're going to tie a knot right above that, just to keep it in there. Now, sometimes dogs like to have a new toy, and this is a great way to give them a new toy without actually buying a new toy. You can use an old tennis ball that you have. And this is also great for fetch because this gives you something to hold on to at the end before you throw it. Now, dogs also they love knots. They love to chew on them because they're hard. So I'm going to do a few more knots at the end here. And then this is great for them to play with, but you can also use it for fetch. So here we have, that's it. That's all you're going to do. At the end, I'm going to test these out on my dogs and see how they like them. Okay, so our second dog toy, you're going to use an old water bottle and another sock. Take the cap off of the water bottle. Put it all the way down in the sock and make a knot. If you have a longer sock, you can do a couple of knots. And then, the dogs love the sound of this, but they can also chew on the knot and they can carry it around from here. So, again, I am going to test these out with my dogs, but we would love if you make these, share them with us on our Facebook page or on our Instagram using the hashtag Sherburne Public Library. We'd also just love to see pictures of your pets this week since it's Pet Week, so feel free to share those on our Facebook or Instagram. All right, let's test these out with my dogs.